You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is originally from German, a German surname, famous for being the name of a syndrome invented by Alexander, a German surgeon. Tietze is the German pronunciation. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. Tietze, alright, Tietze. You can ignore the first E, it's not Tietze, Tietze. How to pronounce Tietze in English, same pronunciation, Tietze. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.